There is a tip which I would like to provide you. If adverb of frequency is long, if I have given you quite long adverb, so what you need to do usually goes at the beginning or in the end of a phrase, not in the middle. Okay, I hope it's clear. Suppose the adverb from time to time. So you can use it in the beginning of the sentence. If you are using it in the beginning of sentence, then put comma. You can say from time to time I go outside to have food. All right. If you want to use it in the end of the sentence, that's totally fine. You can also do that. But if you are finding a single word, in that case, you have to use it after the subject. But if the adverbial phrase, the frequency of the adverb, any of the wording that is quite long, so make sure that you're going to use it in the beginning of the sentences. At the same time, you can put it in the end of the phrase rather than using it in middle. I hope it's clear. Is it clear? Okay, Rahul. Is there anybody who is having any doubt? On a regular basis. So this is quite long adverb of frequency. So what you can do, you can also use it in the beginning. How you can use it in the beginning? Because it's quite long. So you can write down. Let me give you an example. On a regular basis, just a moment. On a regular basis, then put comma, I go to gym. Okay. So that's how you'll be able to use it in the beginning of the sentence. Okay. Or you can also use in the end of the sentence as well. Can you repeat? Sure, Praveen. Okay. Suppose if the adverb of frequency is long, the word is extremely long, so you do not have to use it in the middle of the sentence. Suppose the adverbial frequency is, which I have written here. Just a moment. Okay. This is quite long from time to time. So you can use it in the beginning. From time to time, I get up at 9 a.m. Okay. Similarly, you can replace it by saying, I get up at 9 a.m. from time to time. So whether you can use it in the beginning of the sentence or you can put it in the end of the sentence, do not use it in the middle. Okay. I have already confirmed your request. So you can join. Welcome, Rahul. Okay, that's great. Let me see. Welcome, cold one, Ala Hassan. And frequency is extremely long. So make sure that you're not going to put it in the middle of the sentence. Sometimes we say, I often go for a movie. So often it's a single word. So we can use it after the subject. But if the adverbial frequency is quite long, so make sure that you're going to use it in the end of the sentence or in the beginning of the sentence rather than putting it in the middle of the sentence. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you so much for the clarification in the chat section. Welcome, Hamad. I have already sent you the I have already sent you the request to attend it. I don't know. You're getting through some kind of internet issues or something. That's what you're not able to come on the stage. It could be the issue from your side, might be. Let me try once again. Okay. Welcome, Jazz, Prabhat. Thank you for joining, everybody. And welcome, Mohammed. Welcome. Okay. Right. And Jazz, if you want to come up, you can also. Just give me a